Every big change starts with one small step. My journey began at FitPad Fitness with Coach Awe. Before FitPad, life seemed normal, but in reality, life felt like a constant battle. Battling weight, battling doubt, battling the silent struggles of PCOS.
I'm Coach Awe Aselahado. Isa ako sa mga pioneer dito sa FitPad. Binibideo namin yung mga routines namin, yon. Tapos nire-record, nagte-take note talaga ako kasi para malaman namin kung nagpo-progress ba o hindi. Napansin ko rin na rounded posture siya. Tapos yun, nag-assess kami, chinek namin yung mga flexibility niya.
There's a point in life when you say, I can do better. One day, I was looking in the mirror and I realized that I can do so much more. I am meant for greatness.
Sinukat ko muna yung strength niya. Gradually yon, nag-i-increase kami ng weight. Yung mga pwede kong input na kaya niya, nilalagay ko doon sa routine namin. Kunwari, nung squat, yung may struggle siya, sumasakit yung likod niya kapag nagba-back squat. So, mas safer yung ibang position like searcher squat.
Each step forward came with its own set of obstacles, days of sweat, perseverance, and moments of doubt. Always asking myself, kaya ko ba to? But in the end, with enough hard work and determination, I was able to achieve the goals I have set for myself. Also, of course, with the help of my amazing coach.
Nagbabase kasi ako sa abilidad ng client ko. So, kung tingin kong kaya niya, yung exercise na yun, ipa-plug in ko sa kanya yun. Kasi kung pwede pa spice up, pinapatry ko, then pag kaya yun, much better. Si Jaika kasi nakita ko na motivated siya. Sabi ko, dun talaga ako maglalaan ng kasi may winning spirit siyang nakikita.
Now I stand here not just lighter in weight but heavier in spirit. I'm ready to chase dreams I once thought impossible.
Nagsimula kami ng barbell hip thrust ng 30 kg. Weeks after weeks, nag-a-add kami ng load kasi nga nag-i-improve na yung strength niya. Tapos yun, hanggang ngayon, nakakapag 100 kg na siya. Ako kasi, yung ganong bigat, struggle na ako dun eh. Pero sa kanya, nagagawa niya. May mga double progression kami nagagawa, minsan triple progression. Yun. Gawa nga rin yun ng strength niya. Proud na proud ako sa fitness journey ni Jaika. Nakakatuwa na little by little may nakikita kaming changes. So, small win yun. Small wins.
My transformation taught me resilience, patience, and the power of believing in myself and my coach. I learned that the heaviest weights we lift are not just in the gym. When I feel demotivated, I always tell myself, transformation is tough, but so am I. I embrace my journey, I embrace my transformation.